AD, we start with forward chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we mentioned if we get any correction, we will take the trade for buy. And exactly this is what we get. And this is the result. All right. For those traders, they get the trade for buy from here. If you still are keeping the trade, as the least move their stop loss to break even. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. And if we refer to daily chart, we mentioned if the price couldn't break 1.0, then any reversal for buy any opportunity, we will take it. This is what we get. The only thing is we want to see whether we can get the daily correction or not. The best thing is if we get the daily correction, then any opportunity for buy from there, we'll take it. And mostly we have to see the breakout of 1.65. All right, because we want to see the breakout of this one to confirm we are with an uptrend. Okay, by the way, we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time, but what I'm looking for the reversal. And based on daily chart, we don't see any trade setup yet because the way it's reversing is quite corrective. And even if you move to forward chart, all right, now I'm looking at this correction. Any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. The next target as a short term based on forward and 1 hour chart, you can look for is 1.33 following by 1.42. All right, but the best things is if the price could tag the lowest price of this one, because at that times we can consider this one as a flat and this one as a first wave for continuation. All right, whether we can consider this one as a flat and this is the one is going to continue, we can, but I'm not really interested to look at the chart in this way. That's why I prefer to see then one more drop with the breakout of this low. It can give us better confirmation for continuation, because as I mentioned, based on daily chart, we want to see the daily correction as well. We want to see the price consolidate here for long, the longer time deeper correction for before we take the next trade. Anyway, still we can look for buy, and we don't have any trade setup based on forward chart at this point. And if I move to 1 hour chart, no one is what's the next, how we can look for trade. As I mentioned, the best things is if the price could tag 1.14, because at that case, we can consider this one as a flat, then any opportunity for buy, we will take it. Whether we're going to consider this one as a flat and this is the continuation, it depends. But for me, if I want to look for buy within this one, any trade for buy within this one, I will consider as a short term. What I mean by short term, as long as we get into the profit, we have to move our stop loss to break even. But at this point, we don't have any trade setup. I prefer to wait. Having a trade above this can be an option. In that case, we want to price sharply tag, break, and continue with the price tag, which is not moving within the first maximum second hours. We should take with the trade. But for me, still, I'm looking to see the breakout, the price tag, the previous low. I consider this one as a flat. Then from there, I will look for buy. I will take the trade. All right. By the way, at this point, we don't have any trade setup, either for buy or sell. And even if anyone wants to look for buy, this is the targets we can look for as a short term 1.33 following by 1.42. All right. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.